Welcome to Complete K12 Essentials. First grade vocabulary sight word list 9. I am going to Disney World this summer. Better. We better hurry to catch the bus. Call. I call my dad whenever I need advice. Does. Sue does her school homework before dinner. Fly. Bob is learning to fly a kite. Got. Our dog Buddy got a bone for performing a new trick. Hurt. We should always stay focused when riding a bike, as a crash will hurt. Little. The little kitten seemed to be lost. Not. We were not the only group at the beach today. Pencil. We chose a pencil instead of a pen for our drawing. Rose. Bob gave Sue a beautiful rose for Valentine's Day. Small. Our class budget was small, but we found lots of bargains. There. It was their turn, but they allowed our team to go first. Up. Bob turned up the heat and we felt better. Why? We wondered why the weather changed so fast. Well, that was fun. Learning is always fun. Safe learning place. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel